My obsession for restoring and repairing vehicles started at a young age. This obsession only grew as I got older, and I had the drive and the imagination, but I needed more technical training. That's where Tulsa Tech came in. Every time I walk through the doors of this repair shop, I'm flooded with the feelings of pride and purpose. Some of my fondest memories as a kid was helping my grandpa fix his car. It's almost like magic. You have a car with a wrecked front end from a collision. Where most people would see total loss, I see potential. Anytime I start to doubt myself or feel overwhelmed, I just think about what I've learned in class.
All right, hold on, let's take it easy. Work towards a solution. Take a breather, there you go.
It's hard to explain, but there's something so cool about having the ability to restore a broken down, unusable vehicle and bring it back to life. You end up with something that someone would be proud to drive. And hard work is something to be proud of.
It's time for you to find something to be proud of. That's what Tulsa Tech did for me.